She's amazing. She is absolutely amazing. I have learned so much from her, and I have zero design experience, and I've really been able to transform my house.
I think she is amazing, and I honestly am more of a beginner in all of this, and she has been so amazing, and I've loved learning all of the advanced and basics of it, and it's just been a great experience.
Oh, I just love how positive she is. She builds all of us up. I mean, she has to look at our rooms before, so sometimes she has to be very gracious in how she critiques us, and she always does it so well. And you walk away with feeling really confident to make choices for your new room.
I found her online, and I found her to be incredibly engaging. Being an interior designer myself, I'm continuously looking for mentors and to continue learning. And I just think she has a fantastic way about her, and she shares her knowledge in a way that is very approachable, whether you're a designer or not.
Oh, I love her as a teacher and coach. I've probably taken every class, except the window class, which I'm looking forward to taking. She's a great teacher. She's very clear. She's easy to understand, and she takes very difficult subject matter and makes it understandable for everyone. She's great.
Donna is awesome. She puts you at ease right from the very beginning. She's just down to earth with you, and she doesn't mind answering your questions. She is very approachable. She knows her stuff very well, and she's an awesome teacher.
I have found all of her information really helpful. I've recently downsized, and the data that she's provided me through all of these courses is helping me to create a space for this time of our lives.
I think Donna is fabulous as both a teacher and a coach. She goes out of her way to explain everything in layman terms. I learned so much. It was great.